Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to talk about if you have a ET-8550, somehow your paper just cannot be rolled up from the bottom tree. So your duplexer is trying hard, but the paper just doesn't come up. Or the printer always displays a trace missing. It may cause by this assembly, which is called a frame bank. So your paper going towards it, and then hit those white thing and rolls up. And the wire and the sensor on the left is detecting whether your trace inserted or not. The sensor is plugged in into the right side of this subboard. When you remove the duplexer from the back, and there are 4 screws. Be careful because the wire on the left is still connected. You can use a tool to pry open that cover a little bit, and then just from that seam, you can pull off the wire. Now we release the wire from around it and detach from the subboard. Here's the sensor to the tree. When the tree is inserted, it's going to hit that lever, and the printer knows you have a tree inside. How can I know about this? We can go to BCH Technologies.com and search for ET-8550 parts list. And we select this document. I constantly update this document, so whenever I have a new update, you should automatically receive a new link for the newest version. Also, you can come back and check the version number. Here's the version number. You can either log into your account and click downloadable products, the newest version, or just email support@bchtechnologies.com and give us your order number, and we can send it through email. I constantly making new videos, so my plan is when I make a new video, I put a little YouTube icon here. You click that, and it will jump to the minute that I show how to work with this part. And you can see this one just jumped right into it. And all the parts are numbered. So if you click the number, not the name, just the number itself, it brings you to the product page that you can get a spare part. So for today's video, we're going to talk about this frame bank. And also we're going to talk about this tree sensor. I've seen lots of people have problem because they're missing one of those white plates. And those detachable, so just pry on it and pry it a little bit harder, or use a razor blade. Pry it up. There you go. I don't know if that happened to you or not. It's going to fly out. Right. I've seen people missing around this or the spring inside it. Or the missing couple spring here. So when you push in, it doesn't bounce back. There's no magic about it. So if you just push in and like this. So just check it. If it behave like this, you should be okay. Do the same when you're checking the other side and pry it open, make sure the spring's there. And now we're going to focus on replace the sensor. You'll beat that lever day and night, and sometimes the spring inside get worn out. So that's a new sensor. And Epson have secret screw somewhere. Let's find it right here. We unscrew that. You can see the sensor is have a really long arm and then a short tab. Okay, one side is longer and one side is shorter. So we're going to push down the shorter tab. That's going to release the sensor. The longer arm is for reach over and embrace the base and secure the sensor. Okay. Here's the whole thing. To install, so we put the new sensor on the wire. Long arm goes in first, and then we push down the short tab, and that's it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at bchtechnologies.com or locally, Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.